Hi, my name is Caitlin. Thanks for clicking on this video today. I'm gonna hop right into making this tea because that is what you guys are here for. So let's get into it. So here's a quick list of the ingredients you're going to need. 1 piece of fresh ginger, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cups whole milk, 2 cups water, 4 black peppercorns, 4 black tea bags, 8 cardamom pods or seeds, 8 cloves, and 8 teaspoons of sugar. Now, I have a couple substitutions and some things I just didn't have on hand, which were the ginger, and then I didn't have any peppercorns, so I just ground up some peppercorns, and then I also just used some almond milk that I had on hand. And then what else did I do? Oh, I didn't add any sugar just because personally I don't use a lot of sugar in my tea, but it definitely is yummy with sugar, so keep that in mind as well. Next step is the liquids, which is basically just water and milk. Pretty easy. And I'm going to add in the milk right now. If you're asking like, how did you, whoops, spilled some milk. Anyway, if you're asking how did you get into chai, it wasn't from Starbucks or anything like that. I got into chai from a friend from college. She's now like a super awesome friend of mine. She is from Pakistan. We used to be roommates in college, and all the time she'd be like, we're gonna have chai, we're gonna have chai. All the time, like almost every other night we would have tea and chai, and it was amazing and incredible. She used to make it homemade. It was amazing. It was awesome. So she's the one that taught me and pretty much showed me, and history from there. But she's awesome. I love her. Her name's Abiba. She's amazing. Okay, but I got 2 cups of milk over here. I'm gonna get this in a saucepan with 2 more cups of water, and we're gonna get that boiling with these spices right here. That's the next step. Super easy, guys. Let's get to it.
What is yours? Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. But you know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time, we all play our part. Go on now.
So here is the final result after 10 minutes. Let's see. It smells amazing. Let's try it. That's good. Excellent recipe, guys. I hope you guys try this recipe out. It's so delicious and so good. I'll give you guys a close-up here in a second of this awesome tea and the color of it so you guys can see. It's awesome. It's super easy. I hope you guys try it. If you do try it, then let me know down below. I'll be so excited to hear how you liked it. Erica Marty is the one who made this recipe, so go check her out. I left the link down below. It's from cupandleaf.com. www.nataandcosette.com, and the creators at that website is Nat and Cosette. So go check them out, show them some love, and I'm going to be here drinking my tea. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.